Is your HP DeskJet printer not printing? Don't worry. I'll show you simple steps to fix this problem and get your printer working again. First, open the jam paper, check the printer connection. Make sure your printer is properly connected to your computer or Wi-Fi network. Next, check if your printer is set to offline. Open your computer's printer settings and make sure the HP DeskJet printer is set to online. Sometimes print jobs get stuck in the queue. Open the print queue and cancel all pending documents. Also check the ink cartridges. Make sure they are installed correctly and have enough ink. Restart your printer. Turn it off, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. If the problem continues, update or reinstall your printer driver from the official HP website. After following these steps, your HP DeskJet printer should start printing normally again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more printer troubleshooting.